And I've had women say on dates like, what happened to your teeth? Or, so you're gonna get your teeth fixed soon? And... Wow!
Hey!
Oh my God! Wow, I love it. It's been 2 months since my procedure. I feel great. I feel wonderful. I love my smile. This was the best thing that happened to me in a very long time. I can't say enough good things about Dr. Kirkpatrick. He's not Dr. Kirkpatrick the surgeon to me. He's Dr. Kirkpatrick. I could talk to him like I'm talking to you. I don't think anyone in the world could treat me as well as he treated me, because I'm very happy. I've been telling you this the whole time. I am so happy with my implants. I look at before and after pictures and I'm like, I changed so much just with this procedure. I have more confidence. I would never be so outgoing the way my teeth were. And now I talk to everyone. Right now, summertime, I'm still a big paddleboarder. Hey, Christy. You ready to go out?
I'm so ready.
Awesome. Kayaking, paddleboarding, mostly paddleboarding now. It's my new sport. I paddle with 2 young women, very nice smiles. I've had a lady on the river saying, you guys, all 3 have the greatest smiles. And I'm telling you, I got so many people. I'm a paddleboarder. I'm always on internet sites that, Facebook sites and Instagram and a lot of Facebook groups. And I get a lot of compliments on, oh, you got a great smile, oh, I love seeing people smiling when they're paddling. And I smile all the time. I get more compliments on dating sites because of my smile. And all of a sudden, everything has changed. It was like hit after hit saying, oh, you got a great smile. Your smile makes you look quite young. And they think I'm 35, not 55. I eat that stuff up, yeah. As gorgeous as I thought I was, I'm twice as gorgeous now.
It's time to invest in you and begin living a lifetime of smiles. Call today for our special pricing or visit newteethnow.com.